or the lab ducky for you continental types. And what is it that has you lot coming back to watch me lose badly at games, of which I'm sure this is going to be yet another example. For today we're going to look at Scumball on the Commodore 64, a little adventure game which involves running around little worlds and rooms trying to find grenades to blow up a blob of slime which has taken over the sewers. Nice. So, without further ado, let's go and do a poo. Go play the game. Right, so here we are with the opening screen for Scumball. S for start, R for report, H for ice scores. What's report? Last score, 0400 grenades, shot, pod shot, lives gained, objects. Yeah, okay, right, okie dokie. Start! And it starts with this lovely charging noise. And off we go to the world of whatever this world is. Right, so aim of the game is to fly around and find I think 7 grenades in total. Boink. Oh. Right, so what you do is you grab a grenade. Then once you grabbed it, you have to go and get our Mr. Slime with it. You can only hold 1 grenade at a time. Which is part of the challenge. Now, I've been watching a couple of videos just to get the feel for this, but grenades are somewhere around here. Sorry, I can't speak today. The environment is, I was just about to say, not that challenging. But you also get a limited amount of time to do anything. So I'm trying to find a grenade. Not working too well. I have no idea what they are for. Okay, you can shoot. What that? Aha. You'll find these bloody grenades. Got one around here somewhere. Forgot what they look for. Look for? Look right, like. Yes, so once you've got one, you go and hit Dr. Slime, who's up there somewhere, and bloody hell, I can't find any grenades. And I'm so far down the bloody maze that even if I found one, I'd be bloody screwed. Music is excellent. Location 23, no, that makes much difference. I can't find any of these bloody grenades. Oh crap. Well, at least you're getting a good look at the environment. Let's go up this side. Cock. Ow. Cock. Lovely smooth graphics. Oh, cock. Go through there then. I don't think our chances of finding the slime are very good today, because I'm a bit crap at this. Right. Something got me then, I don't know what. Anywho, oh my bloody giddy ant. I don't think I've said that before in a video. Oh, right, go. I'm going to start going this way because, yeah, not much is happening, is it? So, yeah, we get these things and deliver them. Oh! Cock my balls. He wasn't very friendly, was he? Okay, sorry. Gotta force our way past him. There we go. We got a bonus. Yay. A bloody grenade. Oh, there's a grenade. That's it. Right, you have to get one of them, then you have to go and visit Mr. Slime to deliver your payload. Now, the other problem is finding Mr. Slime. We're off to Buttermoon to find Mr. Slime. Oh, cock. Oh, bloody hell. I think I've got autopilot selected in. Oh, balls. Right, let's go. I can't get up. Wait. That's what she said. Oh, bloody hell. Welcome to my new How Not to Play a Game series. Okay, let's go this way. I don't know where I'm going, I'm just going there. I'm going to that place that I don't know where it is. So, balls to it. I'm just going there, like this. But if it kills me, well, it probably will, so... Bloody hell. Cock my balls. Balls my cock. How bloody irritating. Right, die. I want to go up. I want to get it up. We're British, don't you know? Come on. Oh, cock and balls. Cock my... Ugh. Shite. This is slightly irritating. Not the game, just my attempt at playing at it. That throws you off as it scrolls up the screen like that. It bloody throws you off all the bloody time. Right, go. Oh, let's do this with them. Ah. Oh. Penis. Okay, how do I... Oh, shit. Fuck, I can't go that way. No, that's out of bounds. Ah, you little bastard. How difficult can it be? Oh, God. Mr. VX, you are fucking useless. Be my French. I have no idea where I am, no idea what I'm doing. There you go, kiss my balls. Kiss my chuddies. Oh shit. I think we're about game over, aren't we? You have failed. No change there then. So, in and of itself, I've seen playthroughs of this, and it's quite a good little puzzle game because you can only carry the one grenade at a time. Music is excellent. Shame there's no sound effects though. I would have preferred to have some sound effects in there too. Other than that, top game. If you can get it. I highly recommend it. It's just a shame I'm a bit shit at it. Oh well. Thank you very much. Please rate, comment, subscribe. We're also on Patreon and we have social media links below. Thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.